Welcome to this brief tutorial where we will explore the Journal Alert feature on the new EBSCO user interfaces. These instructions will apply to new EBSCO host and new EBSCO Discovery Service. Before we begin creating our publication alerts, click MyEBSCO in the top right and ensure that you are either signed into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account from here. To set up your publication alert, you will need to be in the Advanced screen. If you are not in the Advanced screen, from the Basic screen, click Advanced, and then click into the Publications tab. You can browse the different databases available here and search for a publication within that database. Locate your publication in the results and click into the title. From here, you're going to click into the three dots to the right-hand side. This is the Publications Tools menu. From here, click Create Alert. In the journal details, you can update the alert name, you can provide an optional description, and you can set your preferences such as alerting on full text only and your alert notifications. You can also review the email address details, and please note the alert will be run against all databases on your profile. Then click on Create Alert. To manage your alerts, click on Alerts in My Dashboard on the left-hand side. Your journal alerts will be listed here. You can sort your list by newest or oldest. Using the three dots on the right-hand side, this will open the Tools menu. From here, you can edit your alert, including the name, the description, and you can also extend or renew your alert from here. And you can check your preferences and the email address as well. Don't forget to save any changes. From the Tools menu, you can also view all results, and you can also delete. Thank you for watching this tutorial.